In this video, Suze Orman says, why would you buy anything that's not on sale? She's talking now about stocks, not clothes. Wait and buy on sale. I totally disagree with that. Because when something's on sale, there's something wrong with it. It's like clothes. They put those jackets, those suits, those dresses on sale in the store because they can't get rid of it. People don't want it. There's something wrong with it. So they have to reduce the price to get you to buy it. Well, stocks are the same way. When stocks are cheap and on sale, there's only one message there. There's something wrong with these stocks. People don't want them. If people don't want them, why do you want them? No, you do just the opposite, like I tell people all the time. Buy high, sell low. Buy the winners, sell the losers.